Let's double check the Optimism OP targets updates with my customer carousel. For every token, guys, we analyze this week of Donald Trump dump, and many tokens already formed the low. Like you can see, everything works pretty well. And you can find the video. You can find the video how to work with the weeks entry. So every single time you can open the trade from 0.5 like usual, guys. So this is reaction. This reaction 61, and I'm not sure we're gonna hold the 61. So the next step is gonna be 23 cents, 20 cents, 16 cents, 25 on the Binance. Maybe another exchanges we didn't hit the 16 cents, 25. But the problem is if we go in lower, everything what is under 16 cents 25 is just price discovery mode. We can't know where this token will stop. For example, the DWDX in price discovery mode stop it at 5 cents. Nobody could predict, so even imagine. So the DWDX from $27 will dump to 5 cents. That's why, guys, be careful. Now it looks so attractive, right, to fill the bags for the spot. It's logical one. So let's be real. And now it's more logical than everybody like I did, for example, accumulate to Zone 22, Zone 23, Zone 24, even Zone 25. So now the people who have a lot of stable coins and just fresh, right? This market, congrats. You get a pretty good discount for the tokens, for any token. But just be careful, work with the smart investing, and invest only that amount of money what you can afford to lose, because anything can happen with any token. So for our OP, this is a local zone for entry. Around 23 and 20 cents, maybe I mark this block. Maybe I will take a look some entry for the futures position. So would it be good to open trade? Even here, like you can see, 30% is not a good entry. So kind of wide zones. That's why I don't know where to just count. Maybe 10% stop loss can be under the 86 low by FEEP. Makes sense. Of course, the gains, definitely, I guess the Optimism will recover back. But globally, it's hard to say how high and if the Optimism recover back. So the weekly time frame looks like this one. Yes, it was so obvious, unfortunately. So the March 24 was the end of maybe main altcoin season, because we are in crazy downtrend since March 24. So it's kind of weird. That's why we already passed the low listing price on the Binance in June 22. And it was like 1, 2, 3. But of course, I ignore it. I hope so we go higher, but it is what it is. So this is a zone for accumulation. Some accumulation was here. So I think some guys accumulate the OP for the long run. At least we can bounce, because we can see like one impulse, correction, impulse, and at least could be correction to $1.50. What will be after $1.50? It's hard to say. We need to pay attention more for the timing, when it will happen. So weekly time frame, nothing at this current moment. Some money inflow was here at 45. We bounced it to 88. 100% profit. Usually, it's not a bad idea to withdraw initial deposit. For now, of course, with QA in the United States, so maybe they will inflow some liquidity into the markets logically. So some money will inflow into alts. I'm not touching by end of this week any alt. Maybe I will open position. I add a alert and entry limit order to the algo re-enter, because I got a stop loss today. But for OP, I just will add alerts to this area. It will be just like a notification to open a chart and take a look. Maybe I will catch the trades. Money power, guys, is kind of bad, because in the daily time frame, no money inflow yet. Direction also nothing bullish. So targets, guys, of course, we're gonna bounce to 68 to close this daily gap. Definitely with this low or without that low, we will bounce, and after that we start build a uptrend structure. Can we go higher, lower? Of course, yes. It's just a rhetorical question. Daily, disbelief. Weekly, it's capitulation. One great example, guys. Every single time now for the next cycle, for the next maybe altcoins season. Some when alts will perform, I will take a look, of course, for the market mood indicator on the weekly and the special on the monthly, because here was a time to sell Aphria, and only here in capitulation zone could be the good entry to buy. And here's a sum. Capitulation. And what is bad, guys? Monthly still in Aphria. How it even possible? But indicators never lie. So unfortunately, guys, we still got a chance to go lower. That's why I wish to see the end of December going down, and January, hopefully, some bounce on a OP. Of course, I'm not a holder of Optimism. I'm not talking now. I, share just my idea about a futures position. Also, kind of bad signal, because here, sell and no signal, take profit. It's kind of bad. Daily, yes, of course, we already saw the take profit from sell here. Joule, now take profit, buy, recommendation, close position. Need to see some new signal to buy. I would like to add alert, and we'll see notifications. So this zone will be like a magnet. If not, I will be more than happy to skip the trade. Take profit, guys. Fundamental value of this token around 24.31. And the take profit line is 65.19. Exit line 72.92. So would be good, guys, to hold the line around here and not drop to that low. So I wish. But 12 time frames showing us total different picture. So the buy line, it's 24.06. Fundamental value is 17.99. So I don't think so we're going to drop to fundamental value, but more than real to see a retest of the buy line again. So just be careful. Be careful. And the weekly time frame, guys, of course, we're so underrated. That's why you can be sure in many cases, right? Of course, we can't be sure 100%, but in many cases, we can back always and test the take profit line, where the take profit line will be after the few months. I have no idea, but definitely we're going to retest below fundamental value. It's a full fill of a weekly gap. It's 63. Take profit, it's $1.71. $1.94, it's exit line. So my idea, guys, is wait at this block. My alert added. I'm just close the chart and chill. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment about what you think about Optimism. If you would like to trade with my customer, I will show it in this video. Write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.